exposing the hidden gems of Bangalore's street food scene that will leave you craving for more. Welcome to Bangalore, where the streets are not just bustling with people, but with a symphony of flavors. First up, the iconic Masala dosa. Picture this, a crispy golden brown dosa made from fermented rice and lentil batter, filled with a spicy potato mixture. Served with coconut chutney and tangy sambar, it's a true South Indian delight. Next, we have Vada pav, Bangalore's nod to Mumbai street food. Soft pav bread stuffed with a spicy, deep-fried potato patty, garnished with tangy chutneys and crispy fried green chilies. It's comfort food with a spicy kick. And let's not forget Bisi Bele bath, a hearty, soul-warming mix of rice, lentils, and vegetables, cooked with a special blend of spices, topped with ghee and crunchy fried cashews. This one-pot wonder captures the essence of Canada cuisine. Bangalore's street food is a celebration of diversity and tradition. From crispy dosas to spicy vada pav and comforting Bisi Bele bath, every bite tells a story. Happy eating!